The original manufacturer cannot handle the SV12-22 hydronic solenoid cartridge valve with hardness HRC70, but AAK solved it by using the 3+2 skills. Abel from Dubai, who has been purchasing hydronic cartridge valves in China for 3 years, has been running smoothly, but he encountered trouble with a hydronic solenoid cartridge valve that is benchmarking against the HydraForce standard part SV12-22. At the beginning of this year, their hydronic manifold used in logistic vehicle required the SV12-22 hydronic solenoid cartridge valve. Abel purchased 100 pieces of hydronic cartridge valves from the original hydronic cartridge valve supplier in China. 1 month later, the customer complained about the leakage of the hydronic cartridge valve, and the engineer found that the valve cage of the hydronic cartridge valve was significantly worn, and the valve spool was corroded. The original manufacturer shifted the blame to the brake oil medium used didn't meet the standard. Alternatively, materials with a hardness of HRC70 or higher may be used, but the machining accuracy cannot be guaranteed. Abel was helpless and anxious. Abel found AAK. After communication, it was learned that he was in trouble while purchasing the SV12-22 hydronic solenoid cartridge valves. I told him that when the brake oil medium is used in the SV12-22 hydronic solenoid cartridge valve, even if hydronic original valve will also have potential failures, and it's necessary to improve the hardness of the material and perform anti-corrosion treatment, especially in the precision machining process. Most hydronic cartridge valve manufacturers cannot control the stability of accuracy very well. I suggested making samples for Abel directly. After 45 days, AAK sent 30 pieces of improved SV12-22 hydronic solenoid cartridge valve samples to resolve Abel's customer complaint first. 3 months later, Abel informed us via email that no leakage was found on AAK's SV12-22 hydronic solenoid cartridge valve samples, and they wanted to repeat the order for 300 pieces. I think that the accuracy of AAK SV12-22 hydronic solenoid cartridge valve samples has received his recognition and the reorder. The improved SV12-22 hydronic solenoid cartridge valve adopts the American standard honing machine in the valve cage precision machining process with its SAC size automatic control system. It doesn't automatically stop until the honing reaches the accuracy set by the system. The upgraded filtration system eliminates impurities in honing oil, especially for diamond honing stones. Processing materials with hardness HRC70 or higher is a perfect match. Not only stable but also efficient. Our technicians perform the following operations. First, set the correct machining program on the computer system of the equipment, and then install the rough machined valve cage into the equipment. After starting the program, the equipment automatically completes honing. With the escort of this equipment, the precision of the processed hydronic cartridge valve cage is stable within 2 mm. The roundness can reach 1.5 mm. The roughness can point 0.1. But most hydronic cartridge valve manufacturers do not have such high-end honing equipment, and there are few equipped with diamond honing stones, which is the key to the inability to process high-hardness valve cages. AAK SV12-22 hydronic solenoid cartridge valve is processed with 3 advantages of equipment and 2 methods of operation. You're welcome to give it a try.